Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're discussing a softer, more sensual side of intimacy. If your partner prefers gentle, loving connections in the bedroom, this video is for you. Intimacy isn't one size fits all. Some people thrive on intensity, while others cherish the slow, tender moments that deepen emotional bonds. That's why we're diving into the best positions to make gentle sex truly memorable. These positions prioritize closeness, comfort, and emotional intimacy while enhancing pleasure for both partners. Ready to elevate your intimate connection? Let's dive in. 1. The spoon. How to do it. Lie side by side, with your partner's back against your chest. This position allows for slow, rhythmic movements while keeping you physically close. Why it's perfect for gentle sex. It fosters intimacy through full body contact. Movements are naturally soft and slow. Perfect for whispered sweet nothings or gentle kisses on the neck. Bonus tip: use your hands to caress their body, creating a comforting and sensual atmosphere. The spoon is a classic for a reason. It's cozy, intimate, and perfect for moments when tenderness is the goal. 2. The lotus. How to do it. Sit cross-legged while your partner straddles you, wrapping their legs around your waist. This position is all about face-to-face connection. Why it's perfect for gentle sex. Encourages deep emotional intimacy through eye contact. Movements are slow and controlled. Ideal for partners who enjoy being in sync. Bonus tip: take your time to sync your breathing. It's a subtle yet powerful way to feel more connected. The lotus position isn't just physically close, it's emotionally bonding, making every movement feel meaningful. 3. Missionary with a twist. How to do it. Lie face to face, but elevate their hips with a pillow for added comfort and a slightly deeper angle. Why it's perfect for gentle sex. Enhances face-to-face intimacy and allows for eye contact. Movements can be kept soft and steady. Offers the opportunity for gentle kisses and caresses. Bonus tip: whisper compliments or loving words. It adds an extra layer of emotional connection. Missionary doesn't have to be boring. With a few tweaks, it's the ultimate position for tender and meaningful intimacy. 4. The seated hug. How to do it. Sit on a chair or edge of the bed while your partner sits on your lap, facing you. Why it's perfect for gentle sex. Emphasizes closeness and emotional connection. Movements are naturally slow and rhythmic. Great for kissing, hugging, and stroking each other's backs. Bonus tip: lightly run your fingers through their hair or down their back to heighten the experience. The seated hug is perfect for moments when you want to feel as close as possible, physically and emotionally. 5. The side saddle. How to do it. Your partner lies on their side, and you lie perpendicular to them, aligning your bodies for gentle penetration. Why it's perfect for gentle sex. Encourages slow, deliberate movements. Allows for plenty of caressing and kissing. Comfortable and less strenuous. Perfect for prolonged sessions. Bonus tip: use your free hand to explore their body gently, focusing on areas they enjoy. This position is relaxed and intimate, letting you take your time to fully enjoy the moment. 6. The butterfly. How to do it. Your partner lies on their back at the edge of the bed while you stand or kneel in front of them. Why it's perfect for gentle sex. Allows for slow, controlled movements. The angle is comfortable and enhances intimacy. Great for holding hands or maintaining eye contact. Bonus tip: place soft kisses along their legs or stomach to build anticipation. The butterfly position combines physical comfort with emotional connection, making it a go-to for gentle intimacy. 7. The face-off variation. How to do it. Similar to the seated hug, but with your partner's feet resting on the ground. This allows for more relaxed movements. Why it's perfect for gentle sex. Keeps the pace slow and controlled. Perfect for partners who love cuddling and and kissing during intimacy. Encourages mutual participation in movements. Bonus tip: use this position to whisper affirmations or share lighthearted laughter. It's about creating joyful and loving moments together. The face-off variation is ideal for balancing physical pleasure with emotional bonding, making it unforgettable. Enhancing the gentle experience. Gentle sex isn't just about the positions. It's about the environment and emotional connection. Here are a few tips to enhance the experience. Set the mood. Soft lighting, calming music, and scented candles can make the atmosphere more inviting. Focus on foreplay. Take your time with kissing, massaging, and exploring each other's bodies. Communicate constantly. Ask your partner what feels good and adjust accordingly. Be present. Gentle intimacy is about savoring every moment. Stay fully engaged with your partner. Aftercare for a deeper bond. Aftercare is just as important as the main event. Spend time cuddling, talking, or simply lying together. It's a great way to reinforce emotional closeness and show your partner that they're cherished. So there you have it, our top positions for gentle, loving intimacy. Remember, the most important thing is to prioritize connection, comfort, and communication. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Inner Wellness TV. Let us know in the comments which topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, stay connected, stay curious, and keep exploring ways to deepen your bonds. See you in the next video.